Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Tecno Spark Go 2022. To do this, we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Now find app called NotifyBuddy. Install it. When it's ready, click on the open. Move to the next step and grant 2 permissions for the app. Last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled and proceed. Now we can start using the app. There's 4 different tabs: user, system active, in the settings. In user, you can set any apps and allow them for custom LED lamp notifications. In system, there's all system bound apps and you can do the same thing. In active, there's all apps that we've just activated, and in the settings you can customize the LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen. And here let's click on the test button to see the LED lamp in the top left corner. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.